Hello guys, so today in this video we discuss about how to swapping two numbers without using third variable. So in my previous video we using the same code, but on that video we using third variable, but in this video we not using third variable. So we start our session of Java tutorial code and we start our code. So you first import the Java util scanner function. You know scanner function is taking for input. After that we make one class of name swap numbers. You can take any name. After that we start our main function code, means we use public static void main from where our code will start to run and execute the code. And inside main function we take two variables. Here you see my previous video I am taking temp variable, but in this video we only take two variable x and y. So after that we print one heading message for taking two inputs of variable x and y. After that we take input with the help of scanner function. Here we take x input. After that we take y input. After taking two inputs we print one message again. Before swapping our status is that x is equal to that and y is equal to that. After that we make our main aim of our code. So we apply our technique of swapping of numbers. So in first we take x plus y store in x, means you understand, if we take 5 and 6 means value of x and y is 5 and 6, so x is equal to 11. After that we store what in second, then y is equal to x minus y, means x is now x value is 11 and y is value is 6, so 11 minus 6, y is equal to 5. You can see guys, y value should be changed. After that we again value of x should be changed and x is equal to x minus y, means 11 minus 5, x value is 6. So here our code will be completed and we see our output, and we print the output with the help of println function. And here we close our code. Let's see what is our output. We run the code by hitting the run button, and you see here it is asking enter the value of x and y. So I take the same example. Value of x is 5 and value of y is 6. So here you see before swapping x equal to 5 and y is equal to 6. After swapping value will be reverse change. That's our concept. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe my channel for next upcoming video. Enjoy please. Thank you.